What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it, stop that! Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific. Really. What's your name?
Jones. Larvell Jones. Monsignor Larvell Jones.
See you around, Monsignor.
Dr. Monsignor.
Hi, I'm Douglas Fackler. I always wanted to be a cop.
Cadet Mahoney, report immediately to the Commandant's office. Cadet Mahoney.
Okay, Mahoney, get going. On the double, move it, move it, move it. Now.
Lieutenant Harris, report immediately to the firing range. Lieutenant Harris.
Excuse me. Callahan, take over.
Want to ride?
Oh, thanks.
It's really no better than television.
I wouldn't know. I never watch television.
Personally, I don't even own a television. Hungry, Diane?
For God's sakes, Michael, just take me home.
This squad deploys each day at 1,000 hours. Precisely 1,000 hours. Since you boys and girls are only rookies, you will be assigned a veteran officer who will write up a report. Okay, read the assignments. Did you hear that?
No, sir.
Oh, Connor, we got ourselves a flat tire. Get out and check your side. Mine's okay. How's yours?
Fine, sir.
There it goes again. Okay, who is that? Oh, no, Lou. Oh, come on, Lou. Please, Lou. Oh, no. Lou, please. Lou. Oh, no. Oh, no, Lou. Lou, good dog, Lou. Oh, no. Oh, no, Lou. No, Lou.
What is this place?
Barricade. Come on.
Oh, Bridge.
What's that?
Rats.
Rats?
Rats. Good idea. You stay here, cover the outside. Be right back. I hope.
Where it is, baby? Everybody's under arrest!
This is the police department.
Marshal!
Watch where you're going, lady!
At this time, I would like to introduce to all of you my instructor, the man who taught me how to fight. Please welcome, if you will, Sergeant John Fournier. Now, can I have a volunteer? Can I have a volunteer? Very good, Nagata.
I don't believe it.
One more ping out of you, Jonesy. I'm going to tape your lips permanently together.